I welcome you once again to NYANSAPO TV as we always bring it to you. Bring you beautiful culture of Africa, Ghana, beautiful tradition of Africa, Ghana, and we educate you the things you need to know. And today, what we have for you is what we call Bragoro. Bragoro is a local, that's how we say it here in Ghana. And to explain what Bragoro means it is a festival we had for young girls who are in their teen age. When they start to develop other organs like their breast start to come, we celebrate this festival for them to represent them to the community that these are children who are also on their teen age, growing to become women. So it is 10 on these two young ladies, and they are leading them to the Queen Mother. Yes. See this, as you can see, these fowls. They are going to perform and cut these fowls to baptize these children. They are singing, leading these two young, beautiful children, beautiful young girls to the Queen Mother, who is to bless and baptize them. The reason they do this is that they want to show these children to the society, to the people, that these are young children, young girls who are developing and they are still virgin. They've never had any encounter with any man before in their life, and then it is education to themselves that at this age, if you mistakenly to take a boyfriend or have yourself in a relationship, you might mistakenly get pregnant. Yes. In the Ashanti kingdom, it is believed that if you do not go this rite, if they do not baptize you of Bragoro, if you have not been baptized and then you mistakenly get pregnant, it is a taboo, and you may be even sacked from the community, you may be sacked from the society, and they will never let you be in that community or the society again unless you do some you pay some penalties, which requires a lot of things, which you must not be happy to find yourself in that situation, and it is a disgrace, it is a disrespect to the society and the elders of that society. As you can see on your screen, these are the elders and the chiefs of the society, the chiefs and the elders of different society coming together to make this. I wish you know how this really means to the tradition of Ashanti. It is one of the necessary tradition we always have here in Ghana, Ashanti. As you can see, they baptize them and then they are praising them for taking good care of themselves to this level of their age and being able to baptize them. So what you are seeing, these two young ladies back them carrying, we call it Asesedra. It is not anybody that can sit on this traditional made chair. It is either being a queen or you being qualified. For example, for these young two ladies qualified to be baptized, so they are going to sit on this chair to represent that they have been accepted. Very beautiful one. So all these are the things they are to give to these two children. You can see perfume, yam, clothes, eggs, sewing machine. See, the same one, the same for each of them. So the reason giving them this is the egg. We use the egg and then the fowl too, and also the sewing machine for they being good children. For they being, as you can see, they are stooling them. They are stooling these young beautiful children. This is a tradition. This is a culture you need to know about Ghana. This is a culture and a tradition you need to know about the Ashanti Kingdom, the Ashanti Empire. They are singing and praising them. They are singing and praising them. As you can see, the chief and the elders, the chief, the queen mother, the whole society are praising them, and they are setting them as an example for every young teenage girl to also go through the same process. Yes, they are dancing, praising them, dancing and praising them, blessing them, dancing and praising and blessing these young beautiful girls. And as I said earlier, it is called Bragoro. 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 So you can see this woodman, and these are the king and the chiefs and the elders. Yes, yes. This is to tell that we are very proud of you. We are very proud of you to take care of yourself to this level, to being baptized. Wow, very beautiful one. Joy money on them. Beautiful one. So what you've seen on their body, it represents that they baptize whatever sin, they are newborn, and they should see their life as in a different level. As in a different level, as it means that at this level, you've taken care of yourself to this level and you've been baptized. But from this level going, if you dare, take your boyfriend, had yourself in a relationship, you will get pregnant, and you must get pregnant. And it is a taboo. It's unless to get married, we perform a necessary rite for you and your husband. And it becomes a blessing for you, the family, and to the society and the elders in the community.